Here back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP today. And what I think this is a head and shoulders fake out. You guys can clearly see a left shoulder, a head, and then a right shoulder. So what I'm thinking is we have a grind to the upside, and the levels that we would want to be getting, the levels that bulls would want to see prices get over is the 70.2% fib at $2.66. Okay, so if we can get above 265 to 274, then we know for sure that this is likely the low over here. Okay, and what I'm thinking over here for XRP is that this was a huge wave 4. So if we zoom out all the way to the daily time frame, we can see that we've been within over 2,000 days of accumulation here. Over 2,000 days, over 2,300 days of accumulation, and then this is our impulsive move to the upside. So this is just a pause in the overall trend before we see that continuation. Okay. Now what I'm thinking for the 3-day RSI is that we form bearish divergence. So when XRP goes for a new high, the 3-day RSI is likely to come up 88.6% of the way and then see a decline from there. We make a higher high on the price, but a lower high on the RSI. Now, it's actually a very similar structure to that of Jasmy just before it broke out. So if we go ahead and take a look at my comparison that I made with Jasmy on this layout that I have, I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is XRP over here. You can see how similar this is to the small range Jasmy created just before breaking out. So look here at the 4-hour time frame on Jasmy, and look at the 4-hour time frame on XRP. You had an ABC down. You had one high, which was right over here. Then you had another high sweeping this high. So you had another high sweeping this high. You come down to extremes, and then see a counter trend. We come down to extremes on XRP, and then we see a counter trend, sweeping the adjacent high over here. You see how we swept the adjacent high? And then we have another ABC down, ABC down, ABC down, and then range break. So what I'm thinking is XRP comes up to around this region, sees a little bit of consolidation, and then we see the range break from there. Okay, so now this is only going to occur if the lows here at $1.90 hold. If the lows at $1.90 don't hold, then it'll likely go to $1.55, which would be the 61.8% fib measured from our October low. So as you guys can see, we are on the 50% fib right now. You see how we're on the 50%? If we were to break $1.90, we would come down to $1. Let me see here. Yeah, we would come down to $1.50, $1.60 region. But that would be the ultra bearish scenario. I don't think that occurs. I think we see the grind up from here, considering we have price and time-based capitulation. So we've come down from the peak down to the trough. We've come down about 44%, and we've been within this correction for 100 days. So this is what I would be expecting. Next point of interest would be sitting at 247, 250. With the possibility of sweeping this internal range liquidity to around 276 and 270. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want access to over 300 assets plus daily updates on XRP, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.